You just read The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Now it's your turn to make a caterpillar of your own. You're going to take some paper plates and you're going to use one plate for his face and a few plates for his body. On the plates for his body, you're going to write the letters of your name. It can be the long part of your name, the short version of your name, or it can be just your initials, whatever you like to write on your paper plates. You're going to decorate the face using colored pencils, crayons, markers, construction paper, googly eyes, tape, whatever it is that you have lying around your house, or something that isn't too expensive to get at a store. I hope that you enjoyed making this. I'm going to show you the materials that you're going to need: glue, scissors, googly eyes, some construction paper, and the most important component, paper plates. I hope that you enjoy this activity. You can check out the pictures of a young boy who made his. It looks wonderful. And you can see the description of the instructions below. Have a wonderful time making your own Very Hungry Caterpillar.
The very hungry caterpillar.